Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today we are going to discuss about Arya Samaj. It was founded in 1875 in Bombay by a Gujarati Brahmin called Mula Shankara. He is popularly known as Dayananda Saraswati. Later, its headquarters was shifted to Lahore. Dayananda Saraswati crusaded against untouchability and social discrimination on the basis of caste. He wanted to dismantle the caste system and revive the ancient Chaturvarna system. He wanted to rearrange them according to their virtues. Birth shall not be criteria for the membership into this Varna system. It is also known as utopian classification of caste system. He is a severe critic of superstitious beliefs and is against idolatry and polytheism. He also blames priestly class for incorporating all this into the Hindu religion. He said that Vedas are the only source of Hindu system. Puranas and Dharmashastras were refused by him. He always says that go back to Vedas. Triple concept known as thrice is being emphasized. They are Swadharma, Swabhasha and Swaraj. Swadharma means one's own religion cannot be discarded. Swabhasha, one's own language or mother tongue should be respected. And Swaraj, don't accept foreign rule. The term Swaraj had been used or coined for the first time by Dayananda Saraswati. Next, in 1882, Dayananda Saraswati started two movements. They are very controversial. They are Cow Protection Movement and Shuddhi Movement or Reconversion Program. Some of his books are Satyardha Prakashika, written in Hindi, Veda Bhashya, which is a commentary on Rigveda and Yajurveda, which is in Sanskrit, and Veda Bhashya Bhumika, which is in both Hindi and Sanskrit. In 1892, Arya Samaj suffered from split. It split into conservative wing and radical wing. Let us first say about conservative wing. It is led by Swami Shraddhananda and it emphasized on traditional education or Gurukul education, which is based on Vedas and Upanishads. And only vegetarianism is propagated. Also, its headquarters is at a Gurukul at Haridwar. Coming to radical wing, it is led by Lala Hansraj. It emphasized on college or Western education with Indian values. It is also known as College Group of Arya Samaj. It supported non-veg food also, and it founded a college known as DAV College at Lahore. Now let us see a question based on this. Which one of the following is not true about Arya Samaj? A. It was founded by Raja Ram Mohan Roy. B. It is against idolatry. C. It believes in the statement go back to Vedas. And D. The radical wing of Arya Samaj is headed by Lala Hansraj. All of these statements are true except A, because it was founded by Dayananda Saraswati. Thank you.